What is up, guys? Today we are going to be changing the oil on a CRF110. I don't think it matters what year it is. So what you're going to need is 10W40 motor oil, and then you'll need 17mm wrench, and sometimes the dipstick is kind of hard to unscrew, so you need a flat screwdriver, but you could do it with your hands. And then just a towel to get the oil off, but that's optional. And you also can use gloves, but as you see, I'm not using gloves. So we're just gonna get straight into it. We're gonna get the 17mm wrench and unscrew that bolt right there. All right, after you got it loose like that, then you'll just wanna start unscrewing it with your hands. Some pretty black oil, wow. So just wipe it off. Clean that bolt off probably a little bit. Take it back upright, it'll drain easier. Shake the bike a little bit so the oil goes out more, the rest of it. Try to get all of it out. Alright, so now since you got the oil out, you can screw back in the bolt after you wiped it off. I mean, you don't have to wipe it off, but it's just better. Probably wipe off this section also. Then tighten it up with a wrench. Try not to break the bolt after the new one. So as you can see, it's pretty tight. We got the oil out. By the way, that's not all the oil that came out. That is mixed with another oil. That's what the pan had in it when I got it. Right, we got our funnel, so you can just put that in there. See? And then we're just gonna get 1 quart of oil, but you're gonna need 1.1 quarts in all, so we're gonna have to add a tiny bit of that one. All right, we got our oil opened. 10W40, 1 quart. So basically just pour this whole quart in. All right, nice and all that out. Just rest in. I'll try to get everything you can. All right. So now we're gonna open up our other one, and we need 2 ounces more. So we're gonna look at the ounces section. If you have another oil thing that has like a measure like this, and so from the 28, you want to go like halfway up. So you could probably make a mark with your Sharpie or just a pen or something. So go halfway down from here, and that will be 2 ounces. So just pour it in slowly and carefully. Do a little at a time, so you're not doing it wrong. Check, is it the halfway mark? Try to do it on flat ground also, so that you don't mess it up. I should probably be doing it on more flat ground, but can't really. All right, so right there, just a little more. Yep, that's all we need. So now you can go ahead and close all your oil stuff, throw away what you need. Take out the funnel, clean up the funnel later. Just probably put it right there. All right, so after you close this up, maybe make it a little tighter. Not too tight though. Don't really want this tight. Just like that. And you can start up the bike. yeah, so basically that's the oil change. Hope this helped you guys out. If you want more content like this, subscribe to my channel, get a like and share. Leave a comment so I know if you guys like it. Tell me maybe what else I could do with dirt bikes, what other tips you guys can need. And have a blessed day. Alright, see you later.